Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to show you this black felt tape from Clarity, and it is to create a screen border for your projector.
This 2-inch tape has a backing that needs to be removed as the adhesive is already attached to the strip. Installation is relatively easy. You want to make sure you get your lines straight, so I highly recommend using a level and a tape measure of some sort to get the best lines possible. You can see here just how much the matte tape absorbs any light reflected towards it, giving you a really nice finish around your screen and not distracting from the picture that you are watching. So I really love this. It has made a huge difference. As you can see, it gives a really nice frame. You are not distracted by any unwanted glare around the edge of the screen either.
Guys, I think it's a really awesome investment. It gives a really nice border on your projection screen, whether you have like a physical screen or a painted screen as we have here. So I think it's a simple touch that you can make to make your screen look absolutely professional. But that's just my point of view.